Now, staying in the U.S., the faulty connection brought half of the U.S. stock market to a standstill yesterday. NASDAQ froze thousands of the country's most traded shares, including Apple and Facebook.
For a little bit more perspective on this 3-hour outage, let's bring in the CEO of exchange tech firm Cinnober. It is Veronica Augustsson. Now, Veronica, she joins us from Stockholm. Great to have you with us to put a bit of context around this. Look, outages are nothing new. We have these glitches, but a 3-hour outage for 50% of the US equity market, I mean, this is quite an event, isn't it?
Absolutely. But I think it's important what you say, that outages is not really uncommon those days, because that to me is very crucial. And when I joined the financial IT industry 12 years ago, I was learned that if we compare the financial IT with nuclear power plants or with the airline industry quality-wise, but I must say that the quality in the financial IT sector and the exchanges and marketplaces has really gone on another route. And I think it's a huge problem that the market is foreseeing, because of the people that no longer have confidence in the technology or in the market. And there is an industry problem, even though the major exchanges in the US are leader in the number of outages they have per year.
Yeah,
so,
Veronica,
yeah, absolutely.
Just give me a sense.
It's a catastrophe.
Yeah, okay, you say it's catastrophic. Give me a sense. You have an exchange tech firm. Does this have any implications for the industry-wide? These glitches are terrible when they happen, but they don't happen very often. I can remember it happened on the FTSE maybe 2 years ago. So are people just too much panicking? We're lucky it's August. We're lucky that there wasn't that much, out there, and a lot of share prices went back to where they closed when they opened. So nothing's actually been lost in terms of value.
I don't have the details in what the amount of value is, but you can look at the value of those trades, etc., those quotes and so on, but also I think it's bigger than that. I think it's the value of the financial IT industry. I mean, do you trust? What kind of orders do I dare to send? How much I think you can't really measure the outage in terms of money. And one thing is also that people doesn't really know the risk in real time. If everyone had a system where you can really measure in real time what is my exposure, and there was an automatic break for individuals if they took on too much risk, or if they didn't have collateral, etc., that would make confidence in the market. But I just think that there is a lot of work to do in the software industry, and that you need to focus on quality, and it's a lot of focus on bonuses, for example, since the 2008 financial crisis, but nothing relates to quality and bonuses. So, yeah.
Yeah, and it's, as you say, Veronica, it's really something that's, it's difficult to gain back that trust once you've lost it. Cinnober Chief Executive there, Veronica Augustsson.